Are you trying to get started writing a dissertation? If you're a postgraduate student, most likely at the end of the school year, you'll be asked to start working on your thesis. This is a longer piece of coursework that one has to submit in order to finish a master's degree. Similarly, many undergraduates will have to undertake a final year project so they are able to graduate. This video will show you how to get started on working on your thesis and what to do to best organize yourselves for success. Watch till the end to make sure you don't miss anything out. It is common that a supervisor will be allocated to help you working through your thesis. However, to approach a supervisor or to have one assigned, you will probably need to have come up with a dissertation topic first. So how do you go about selecting a dissertation topic? One thing to do would be to think about the modules you've done, what you've studied throughout the year. The work that you've done already in terms of coursework and assessments will also help. Think about topics that you found interesting or something that you think might link with what you want to do further in life. What thesis topic would look good on your CV? Would you be able to use your thesis topic as something to talk about at interview? Work from various suggestions you received from your teachers as you were going through your taught courses. You're aiming for something that is relevant, interesting to you, and something that has enough literature behind it so you're able to gather the information that you need in order to write it effectively. There's no point picking a topic that is so niche that you won't be able to write enough. Once you've selected your topic, what do you do next? You should do some preliminary research on the topic to assure yourself that there's enough material out there and that this material is accessible to you. You should also check structure and layout instructions, including the word limit that you're aiming to achieve. These will normally be in the instructions given to you for the module that the dissertation is attached to. Once you've picked a topic, you've done a little bit of research, you've checked your instructions, then you should put together a draft table of contents and articulate your main ideas in a short abstract. This will give you the opportunity to explain in an articulate way what you aim to do when you have your initial supervision meetings or when you're approaching people to ask if they're willing to supervise your project. If you follow these steps, you should now be in a better position to start working on your thesis or dissertation. You've selected the topic, you've got some confidence that there is enough material out there, you've got something to talk about to your potential supervisor, and you should set off on your summer research knowing what you're trying to achieve. How to actually carry out the research to gather the information that comes into your thesis is going to be a big part of your supervision experience and what you will spend most of the summer on. If you want some good tips on how to engage in research, especially in the domain of law, see the link down in the description below. One of the ways in which you could accelerate your process is by using tools. There's a lot to be said these days about using AI or various types of software to help you along the process of writing a longer project. If you would like to know more about how AI can be used to accelerate your study or your research, see some further links down in the description below. I hope you found this useful and now you got enough to get started and get in touch with your supervisor. If that is me, I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you for staying till the end of this video and see you next time.